We are live. So I haven't done much today. I worked a little bit this morning before I drove up here on just refactoring a few things.
How did you get up here?
Jamae dropped me off.
Didn't even say hi. Messed up.
Well, we didn't want to leave the dogs in the car, and she had to get back for an audition. And she's like, everyone's always working anyway, so I feel like I'm interrupting. So I'm like, okay. So yeah, that was my day. Going into the night, I'm going to be trying to speed up our lesson VC screen and all that and slowly refactor, but it won't be priority. And then, yeah, just get responsiveness up in the iOS app. How about you, Johnny?
Yeah, I spent most of the day working on a specific bug with the next lesson button and the auto playing from one lesson to the next. Yeah, all that stuff with the lessons and second header is a real pain with Mac because the NS table view doesn't natively support sections, so everything's just really convoluted. But I got it fixed, and I did a whole bunch of other bug fixes. Got our little download complete notification, and I'm also using that for any other notifications that we feel we need. I got rid of the ugly no internet connection pop-ups.
Oh, it kind of matches iOS.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yep. So yeah, so that was the idea of implementing that feature, as well as being able to close out several other bugs that were complaining about that pop-up. And yeah, so I don't know how we're doing builds. Like, we don't have to release builds at the same time, right? I can make a build for what I've got done tonight.
Yeah, it's just this is probably Jason needs to speak on this, but I need to make sure Jason has got all those lists cleared up. We just don't want to keep stacking lists. That it's not good for the QA process. And so Jason,
okay,
it looks like he has quite a bit.
You're saying on the previous list then?
Yeah, so I would wait till Jason catches up on the first build, and then maybe we should aim
First build is done.
On Mac.
Yeah, first build is done. He's got two cards left, but they should be done.
Oh, okay. I don't have anything, but I guess if you want to put a build out, you can. And
yeah, I can get a new build started. Okay. Everything in the other one's done.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah, so I'll PR this stuff, and once you get it merged in, I'll make a build.
All right, cool. Let's see.
That's me.
Cool. Hector.
Rendering, and more rendering. And today was really fun. I was talking with Mark about future plans and just discussing with everybody, like game ideas and stuff like that, and just continue on with the video process for updating the course that's currently up. I'm very excited to start working on games. I can't wait. It's gonna be awesome.
So I know Evan, like, you know, he's got his plans and schemes and stuff, but I promise, guys, you'll get to work on the games too. You won't have to be stuck on the Mac app forever. Just a little time. Evan's gonna take most of your time, but I'm gonna take a little of your time so you can work on fun stuff.
We're gonna be fighting over you pretty much.
Johnny said he wanted to make a Palm Pilot version of that.
All right. We gotta go get one from eBay.
Yeah, I also wanted to do the Windows app. I don't know what this was about. Jack getting to do that.
Are you gonna do the Ubuntu?
Just kidding. I really don't want to.
Careful what you wish for.
You got it.
Nope. Just
Merry Christmas early.
But yeah, that's what I got.
Cool. Oh, you did some cool the in-app purchase models.
Yeah, that's what's rendering.
That's
true.
But no one knows what's rendering when you say rendering.
Yeah.
That's magic.
It's magic.
Rendering is a word that Hector uses when he doesn't want to work, but makes it sound like he's
compiling.
working.
It's like compiling.
Processing symbol files.
How about you, Evan? I feel like I'm like.
Let's see. I'm drawing a blank here. Did some marketing stuff. Planned the next like month and a half for us. I don't know if you saw the Trello board, Johnny. Not to stress you guys out, but it's going to be really important, and just be super vocal in the next month or two when we're trying to push through these next couple sprints. Like I said, if things become a time crunch, give it to Mark. Start delegating things because we need to make sure we're all on the same page. But yeah, I'm just really excited to get all that stuff out.
Like that. Give it to Mark.
And did some more design stuff. I realized that I designed news for Mac, but I didn't do it for the iPad. So I did that over the weekend. And then I'm gonna do some more stuff tonight. So that's all I got.
Jason.
Here, go. Front and center, Jason.
All right. Knocked out tons of QA on the Mac app and the iOS.
No, he didn't even play Diablo with me. I was so mad.
I was busy, dude. There was important things to be done.
Yeah, I can't. I have nothing today.
No magic legendary swords or socketed items. But anyways, knocked out the Mac and the iOS QA lists. Added just a small handful of bugs to the bug lists, and then there was a list with multi-platform bugs, and 90% of it was static data issues. And so every single one of those is completed and done. There has been massive static data updates, and we just need to get that pushed live. So when Jack gets back and is available, we'll get that live, and everything should be working pretty spot on. There's been.
Are you going to be moving those, Jason, from multi-platform bugs to one of the?
I haven't marked anything as done. So all the static data ones, I just commented that, hey, I've updated it and it's been pushed to Bitbucket.
Okay.
So I didn't want to move them around. I just commented all of them. And that's what I did all day, and some marketing. And a Facebook campaign I created for app installs.
Well, you should move them to retesting at least.
Retesting?
Yeah, to your retesting. And then once it gets pushed, you can verify it.
Okay. That's a good idea.
Jacob, you're officially in charge of helping Jason get unblocked with making sure those data things that he changes go live.
Okay.
Whatever you need to do that, Jack or whatever. We're at Roblox now.
Your update.
I did stuff.
You played Diablo.
No, I wanted to, but I didn't get to. So today was a really good day. I cleaned up QA. I've been coming to that every day, moving things around, tagged Evan some things. Along the same lines that Evan was talking about with upcoming features, those are prioritized, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so the next big one is the offline downloads. We're actually going to make our whole app offline support. And so I'm 99% sure, and I'm only 99% sure because I made this decision alone, but that we want to use Realm. And it supports Mac and iOS and Android, actually, and Windows too, I think. Anyway, what it does is it gets rid of the need for core data, and then all the offline syncing stuff, like when you don't have a connection and you need to post course progress and things like that, it does it all behind the scenes for you up to the API.
Awesome.
And that code is very complex to write on your own. So that's the next big feature we're doing. So Johnny and Jacob, feel free to start reading up on Realm, and we'll start using that. So anyway, so I haven't got that, and I was thinking about that. So other things is the book. For those of you who care, the print version, I should have the first proof at my door tomorrow, I think. But the problem is we found a big mistake where, a bunch of code blocks were being chopped off. So those books are kind of a waste. So those are like our first flops, and maybe we'll go on eBay.
I'll still take one.
Yeah, I've got 5.
It's a limited edition.
I've got 5. So
You can send it to me with my sweater, because over here in Arizona, I got like 1 week left of sweater weather.
Oh, dude, I'm sorry. I have your sweater sitting at my house.
Just turn your AC up and wear your sweater.
As we'll be in the 80s already next week.
Wow.
You lucky dog.
So the book, ladies and gentlemen, the book is going to come out very soon, within days. I even got a new web page built in Angular 2 that just still hasn't reviewed and done a pull request on It's been like 5 hours.
Yes.
Anyway.
I like how you know how it feels.
And so I did that, and we're making great progress on everything. So
And you recorded some videos.
tomorrow I'll be recording a bunch of videos for the slopes.
I can't wait till Jess jumps on there
Um,
after like 6 hours of ignoring it and goes, "What is this? A space?"
I know he's gonna do that too. No, there won't be stuff like that. He's just gonna be like, "Why did you do this? That's not how you do it in Angular 2." Like, I'll do whatever I want. Yeah. Oh, and recorded videos. That's right, Jason. Recorded videos for the web development course today. That's it.
Sweet. I think that's everything.
Yo, what's up, Cade Carter? Our #1 and only fan today.
What's up, Kate?
Yay, Cade.
Whoop, whoop.
Oh, Johnny, he wants you to work on that Ubuntu app.
Oh, Ubuntu.
Yeah.
I barely even know what that is.
Well, start researching that with Realm.
We need you to build the Devslopes app in assembly
Oh, man.
for vehicles.
Maybe some
car.
Fortran.
You can watch it in cars while you're driving.
Perfect.
Learning LA traffic.
Yes.
Ooh, I could use that.
Yeah.
Ooh, Tesla app while you're like waiting in traffic.
Ooh.
It's gonna have to have really good voice recognition too. That's how all the quizzes and exercises are going
His
to be.
eyes just glazed over. It's hilarious.
Oh.
He just hangs up.
Bye.
All right, I think that's everything.
Let's do it.
All right, see you guys.
All right, see you, man.
Bye.
See you, kid.
Yes.